totally got that. You're on.
Now?
Yeah, you're gonna have to edit it.
Alright. Alright, so the soup has been simmering for 10 minutes, and this is with all of our vegetable ingredients and the chicken broth. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our meatballs. Now, you have to be kind of careful when you're doing this, because you don't want to drop the meatballs too high, or else the soup's going to splash back on you. And also, you want to be gentle with the meatballs, because the meatballs are very fragile, and you want to let them cook for a little while so that they'll form a nice skin, so that they won't fall apart in the soup. So now, just one by one, you're going to add your meatballs. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to add these meatballs, and we're going to let the soup, and we're going to let it cook for about another 10 minutes on simmer. You don't want it to boil. You don't want it to be too violent with the meatballs. So we're going to let the meatballs cook for about 10 minutes in the soup, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add the zucchini. After 10 minutes of simmering with the meatballs, we're going to add our chopped zucchini, and then simmer it for another 10 minutes. And after that, you can let the soup cool for a little while, and your soup will be done. And then you will have albóndigas. Okay, so all of our meatballs are now in the soup. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make sure that this is simmering, and we're going to simmer it for about another 10 minutes, and then we're going to add our zucchini.